show your body and yourself that you care. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new video for you guys, and in today's video I'm gonna be letting you guys into my self-care routine slash my pamper day routine. So if you guys would like to see how I relax and how I rejuvenate myself internally and externally, then please stay tuned. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. Follow me on TikTok, and let's get right into the video. So I just wanted to quickly check in. I'm really mellow right now, and my energy is not like low and everything. I'm just really like mellowed out because the first thing that I love to do to kind of get my mind right and to truly pamper myself is to get the inner me right. So I did yoga, I meditated, and I just had a journaling session. I know I look really crazy right now, but this is really raw. This is just what I look like without any makeup or anything. My hair needs to be washed, so that is the next thing that I'm gonna do. I'm actually about to hop in the shower, wash my hair, I'm gonna shave, I'm gonna deep condition while I'm in there as well. Like, it's gonna be a whole nice pamper routine. I'm gonna give myself a pedicure, a manicure, get some nails on. I'm also possibly going to shave my face, and I'll possibly put some clips in on how I do that. I've been doing that for years actually, and it just helps with makeup application and exfoliating the skin. So I'm gonna be doing that. And yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this really mellow and peaceful kind of video, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, you guys, so I'm finally out of the shower. I feel like I took the longest shower ever, but I love doing that, especially when I'm like pampering myself and taking my time to show myself some self-love. I use the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk shampoo, and then I deep condition with the Camille Rose deep conditioner that I used in one of my previous videos. I forgot the name of it, but I deep conditioned with that, and while I did that, I shaved, and I feel super good, super fresh, super clean. So I'm gonna talk to you guys about the lotion that I use when I come out the shower. I use this one. This is from Pamper's. It's a coconut oil body lotion, and honestly it leaves my skin feeling really, really nice. I have eczema and my skin gets really, really dry when it's cold outside, so that one does a good job at keeping me moisturized. I also like to use perfume even though I'm home. When I'm like pampering myself, I really want to just, you know, do like everything. I use a regular deodorant. I actually use men's deodorant, and it's Degree. I don't have it with me right now, but I use that. And also I washed my face with the Pacifica Beauty Glow Baby something face wash. I just received it in the mail, and honestly I think it's doing well, but we're gonna get to my skin later. The perfumes that I use today are, I kind of mix my perfumes, but the perfumes I use today are the Burberry. This one is called Brit Sheer, and I also mix that with my Ariana Grande Rem, R-E-M perfume. I love to mix either like two perfumes if they complement each other, or like a body spray and a perfume. So today that's what I use. That's the combo that I use. I also made myself some iced coffee. I already had coffee, but I wanted some more coffee. But so now I'm just gonna do my hair, and I'm gonna let it air dry while I do the rest of the things. So I'm gonna do a lazy curly hair routine. I'm really just moisturizing. I'm really just dampening the parts that got a little bit wet, like up here. I really need to put like a black dye back in my hair, but I keep forgetting, and then when I do remember, I just like, no, I feel way too lazy to do that. I'm just gonna give it a quick comb with my Denman brush. It's really important to have these days, like when you just kind of like really take care of yourself, especially if you've had a couple of days of like just not doing it and being like lazy with yourself. It's really good to kind of like boost yourself back into action. So I love doing these like self-care, pampering days, like pamper routine days. It just feels so nice. And then you get back to feeling yourself. On my lips right now, I have the Kiehl's lip balm. I showed you guys in my Get Unready With Me. I use that thing throughout the day as well. I'm just combing my hair because I typically don't comb my hair. I know that sounds crazy, but I have curly hair and I just finger detangled, and then by the time I come out the shower, it's not tangled, so I don't necessarily ever have to comb it, if that makes sense, unless I'm doing some sort of hairstyle. But I like to comb it. This is something that I feel like it's not typical for me to do, so I like to do it when it's my Pamper day routine. When it's my Pamper day. Pamper day. That sounds funny. But I'm gonna use the Not Your Mother's Tahitian Gardenia Flower and Mango Butter Curl Defining Butter Mask. So this is actually a mask, it's not a leave-in. You apply this for like 5 to 10 minutes typically, so it's not a deep conditioner, it's just like a hair mask. But I'm gonna apply it as a leave-in, and then I'm gonna use my Eco Styler Gel. I'm not gonna use too much of this because I don't want it to weigh my hair down, but my hair honestly needs the moisture. Like, it honestly does need the moisture. And I still have yet to get like, I wanna get a new leave-in conditioner, and I just haven't gotten it yet. If you guys recommend any, you can definitely let me know in the comments down below, because I am in the market for a new deep leave-in conditioner, not a deep conditioner. And I'm just gonna split my hair in the middle, in the back like this, and just rake it through. Mostly focusing it on my ends, like mid-shaft to ends. I'm gonna show you guys my new planner. I just got it in the mail. I have asked you guys a while back, like, for planner suggestions, because I honestly hadn't gotten a planner yet, and it's February, and I was still using my old planner though, so that's why, because my old planner, usually planners have like the first month or two of the next year, so I was still using my old one and I was fine. Typically I'll be playing some music and having a good time while I'm doing all of this, but since I'm filming, I can't do that right now. So I'm only gonna take a little bit of gel because, as I said, my hair has been really dry, and I'm only gonna take this much for my entire head, and I'm just gonna flip over and scrunch this into my hair. All right, you guys, that is it. That is as lazy as it gets. I deep conditioned though, so there's that, and I also combed my hair, so I did take time. But that's as lazy as it gets. That's all I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna part it. It naturally just forms a part in the middle. I'm gonna go wash my hands and get it ready to shave my face. And I'm just gonna show you guys, I actually shave my face with this thing right here. This is like an eyebrow shaver, but this one is actually from Flawless, so it's actually meant for you to shave your face. I hope you guys didn't think I was gonna take like an actual razor and like shaving cream to my face. I do this on freshly cleaned face, freshly washed face. You have to do it on freshly washed face. So I actually do reuse these. I just make sure to clean them with alcohol between each use. I'm gonna start off with my cheeks. Sometimes I actually shave my sideburns. My sideburns are ruthless. So sometimes I shave it like a little bit. I don't know if I'm going to, I probably will just a little bit. But you wanna make sure that your skin is held taut. So you wanna like do that kind of thing, like stretch out your skin. And yeah, just get started. You have to do it very gentle, and you have to do it at an angle if you do decide to do this. So this is the motion that I'm using. This is a game changer for your makeup application and for your skin in general. You're gonna see, like, after I do this, my skin is gonna look so much brighter. Also, another tip is to never do it up. The very first time I ever broke out in my life was because I shaved my face, and I was shaving all kinds of ways. And that's just horrible. To the side and down is good because you're not brushing all that dirt and bacteria up into your pores. Now, you did wash your face, but there's still dirt and bacteria like that you probably can't see. So just be mindful. Also, my skin is gonna look really dry and red and sensitive because I'm doing this, but I'm okay. All right, so now that you guys have seen what I kind of do, I'm just gonna finish up off camera. If you guys want an in-depth video of how I shave my face, then just let me know in the comments down below, and I'll be sure to do that for you guys. But for now, I'll see you guys in a couple of minutes. Okay guys, so I don't even want to do a close-up. My face looks so bad because it's so dry now, but that's okay. I'm just gonna use some of my witch hazel. This is what I typically do after I shave, is that I use some witch hazel. I just use some witch hazel on a cotton ball, and yeah, I just massage massage this into my skin, make sure we're all good. Yeah, but you can see my skin looks so much brighter, like so much brighter. I know I told you guys in my Get Unready With Me that if the skincare was pretty good, I was gonna share with you guys, and it is pretty good, so I'm gonna share it with you guys. I'm using the Pacifica Glow Baby line, and this is their Vita Glow Face Lotion with vitamin C and vitamin E. And then this is their Glow Baby Booster Serum with glycolic acid and vitamin C. I've been mixing this morning and night. If I don't mix it, then I'll definitely just use the lotion. But the serum does give the lotion an actual like boost. So my skin needs all the hydration it needs after all of that exfoliating. So we're gonna do a mixture. So first I take the lotion and I do about a pump. So 1 full pump, because I'm gonna take this onto my neck as well. And then you have to shake up the serum really nicely. Also, while you're shaving your face, which is also known as dermaplaning now, or dermaplaning, I'm not sure if that's always been a thing, but you can also shape your eyebrows, which I kind of do. I shape the top at least, but I did just pluck them and everything yesterday. So I take 1 full dropper of the serum. So there it goes. And then I just mix that up. And then I just apply that to my face. Nice and gentle. Nice and gentle. And I also do a downward motion. I use it all around my eyes and stuff as well, because this has proven itself to be very nice and good for all parts of my skin actually. And because I am going to be putting on a little bit of makeup later. And as I said, I take this down onto my neck. This has been doing really, really well for my skin. I've only used it honestly for less than a week, and it's done a lot. Like, it's really brightened up my skin, and it's made my skin feel so nicely hydrated. And if it ever does start feeling dry, then I'll just go and apply some more serum. But honestly, for the most part, it does so well. That's pretty much all I do for my skin. Sometimes I will do a mask, but I don't have a mask right now. Also, I like to keep these in my skincare fridge. So hold on. Here, well, I'm just gonna paint my toenails and everything, and I'm gonna use Essie nail polish, and this is in Blanc. And then I'm also gonna put some press-ons on, and these are the ones that I'm gonna be using. See you guys in a little bit. I'll see you guys after that, and that'll be pretty much the end of this video. I don't know if I'm gonna show you guys putting on my like 5-minute or no makeup look. I don't know if I'm gonna do that, but if I do, then you'll see it. I lied. I forgot I wanted to show you guys my new planner. So if you guys been here for a while, then you guys have seen my 2020 planner, and it is this one right here. I forgot the name of this planner actually. Like, it's a Japanese brand, but I forgot the name of this planner specifically. And these are all stickers. Basically, it kind of like it's a rewind of my year in a sense. But goodbye, planner. You've done great. This is my new planner. Woo! It's all bright and beautiful, and it has butterflies, and it says Gold Digger because I'm about that life. I love it. I just got it, and I actually bought this with my own money. This is not sponsored or anything, but it is from Pellatini. I think that's how you say it. And it's really cute. Like, each month has like these kinds of things, and honestly, it's dope. I can't wait to start using it. I'm actually sad I didn't have it for January, but it's okay. We're starting anew in February. Oh, let me show you February's page actually. February's page says, roses are red, I'm going to bed. So it has all of these like sassy sayings for each month, and it kind of just sets the mood and sets the tone, and I'm really excited to use it. It's gonna be a different experience from my 2020 planner, because in my 2020 planner, I had like a whole blank page on the right side of my week setup, and I was able to put pictures and write goals and stuff like that. This has like goals and stuff that you can do like for each month. It's not the same thing, you know what I mean? But anyways, I'm gonna do my nails and I'll be back, because honestly, I've been filming this video all day. Okay, you guys, so this is basically like the end of my Pamper routine. So I had to switch nail polishes because my Essie one actually dried out, so I have to get a new one because I love the white nail polish. I love all Essie nail polishes actually. So I ended up using the LA Girl gel polish in, what is this? Striking. So it is still a white polish. I use that on my toes. And then for my actual nails, I really didn't feel like putting on the press-ons. Sometimes I'm just not feeling like the long nail vibe. I wanted to take time to take care of my actual nails, so I decided to paint my own nails here, and I used the LA Girl Color Pop nail polish in Snapped, which is this red color. And then I also use Essie's nail polish in Million Mile Hues, and it's a gold polish, and I use that on my ring fingers. My nails are not completely clean around the edges because I'm gonna wait till they dry. They're not fully dry yet, so I'm gonna wait till they dry to fully clean them, but I cleaned as much as I could for right now. I think self-care days are so important, at least to do once a week, if not once every 2 weeks. You know, like, you have to take the time to take care of yourself and give yourself that boost. I love doing this, especially after like that time of the month thing, because sometimes when it comes to that time of the month, I'm just like laying low. I'm like in bed, I'm kind of chilling and not feeling good and stuff. And then it feels so good to like rejuvenate yourself right after. So I make sure on my self-care days slash pamper routine days that I also do not only like self-care like appearance wise, like my nails and stuff like that, but also like some soul care. And that's why I love to start it off with, I usually always do yoga in the morning anyway, but I really want to make sure on that day, like on these kinds of days, that I definitely do some yoga, some meditation, and some journaling to really make sure that the inner me is feeling good before I start focusing on my actual body. I love like taking care of myself. I love like shaving and putting lotion on, making sure my skin is moisturized, and painting my nails and making sure my hair is deep conditioned and stuff like that. I think it's just so important to show your body and yourself that you care about yourself. Like, even if it's something as simple as painting your own nails and stuff, it just shows that like you care. It's like, okay, I'm taking care of myself. Like, you have to kind of love, well, you have to love every inch of your body and every inch of you. So I think taking care of yourself internally and externally is just as important. And I definitely would recommend learning to do so. And then you don't ever, if you ever have to go in quarantine again, you don't have to worry about, oh my god, I can't do my hair and stuff like that. Like, you just know how to do everything on your own. So, and it saves you a lot of money. So, but yeah, my hair's not fully dried yet. Maybe I'll come back and show you guys a clip when my hair is fully dried. This is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my self-care routine. If you guys want more videos like this, let me know in the comments down below. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I can't do the whole, I'm waiting. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. Turn on your post notifications. Follow me on TikTok, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!